Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. Today natural gas is up around 5% and we have about 1 hour left in trading on the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour RSI is overbought. On the 4 hour chart we do see the 4 hour MACD is starting to converge, and I do see a possible resistance that's starting to get near. I would say the 50 moving average on the 4 hour chart will be immediate resistance. And on the daily chart, I do see the daily MACD is starting to converge up, and I do see we have a possible support built at this moment, and I do see us having a short covering and the support. Well, let's go for resistance now. So the first resistance I would consider is this 18-day moving average, and for support is this gap that was left open over Sunday night. So I would consider at any moment we may fill in that gap and we will move sideways until there's further reason to move higher on natural gas. On to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to April 28th, 2014 to July 23rd, 2014. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning, we have a downtrend, and then we quickly reverse and touch the upper Bollinger Band right here, and then we continue further down, and we did touch the bottom Bollinger Band several times, and then we start to level out right here, or sideways pattern starting to shape, and we start to revert to mean in the middle Bollinger Band right here, and we see the similar action here in the beginning, the downtrend for several days, and then quickly reverse, touching the upper Bollinger Band right here. And then after that, it continued down lower for much longer, and then it's quite hard to see, but we do see sideways action if we extend further out right here. And so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 points. There are also 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast would also be the same. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where natural gas, or UNG, went to back in April 28th, 2014 to July 23rd, 2014. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. So back then, natural gas was only up 60 basis points. So I do expect sideways action, or more in favor of moving on higher, to come in the next coming days. And here's the line graph that I compared it to. So this is the current trend and overlapping with the 2014 trend right here. So that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.